Baby show. Mainit talaga. Pero pre naman daw okay na yan. May upuan. Marami pang bakante. Tara. Bawal ba magpicture? O ang dami eh. Taas tayo dito.
Alongside later on, naval diving unit performances as well. Here, 10 minutes on center stage. We'll request being seated. Also, mums and dads with kiddies. Just brace yourself for the end of your performance. We'll have loud music and some ringing out sounds as well. So just be tight with them, hold them tight with you. The Singapore Navy's Naval Diving Unit. Now, before we launch straight into the performance, we want to make sure everyone is safe and sound during the performance. In the event of any emergencies, please stay calm and proceed in an orderly manner to the nearest exit, following the instructions of our ushers. And do not run or push and assist those who may require help. Do leave all your personal belongings behind if necessary, but for now we're going to move right on to this afternoon's program. The Music and Drama Company was formed to put up live shows to strengthen the morale of our soldiers, and today the band will be performing familiar tunes to us as well, and some original songs composed by them. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Music and Drama Company.
This is a great respite, I do think. And so with that, we're going to do something by Rose and Bruno Mars. And I'm looking at all the children over here, especially the young at heart. You know this one, please help us out and sing along. Give us something like...
Ano kaya niya? Taga saan kaya yan? Yung accent niya.
Do you know that song? Do you know that one? That's all. You're ready? Let's get it.
Ang bata sa gusto ng mga bata yan. Ganda ng boses na. Pinabak pa naman yan. Oo. Galing ano? May ano yan yata, may parang -1, alam mo yung ano? Mayroon pa yan? Hindi lang yan? Yung parang may sound pa na ano, nakasalang yan. Parang yung, ayun yung piano sa labas oh. Ayun oh! Nasa baba? Ay sa malaking ano? Kaya sabi ko parang nakasalang eh. Anong pala yung piano? Ayun o. Doon sa tayo umiikot. Kasi di ang kakayanin kung yan lang. Malaki lang ang boses niya, ano? Oo. Babata pa.
The combat diver course. Hey, you know what? I thought the combat diver course is quite shit. But I tell you what, I'm fully ready to become a part-time fish.
Oo, nahirapan ako minsan din.
What do you actually do in CDC?
Pag nasanay ka talaga sa mga ano,
I feel right.
mas nahirapan ako. Kung tutusin, mas madali kasi barok yan, di ba? Pero nahirapan ako minsan.
Divers whole day just wear white front trunks and swim in the sea. Grab on!
Oo.
I'm Jonas. And we're from the Naval Diving Unit.
Before any of that will happen, all want to go through CDC. And that's the combat diver.
Beat your long steam. Okay, let's give it a try, okay? Ninh Yuan Vivo! Good, yeah? Like, wow, quite good, you know? I don't think they can beat that really good. And I can hear them from Malaysia, you know?
Hindi ko siya mag-gets. Hindi ko hindi ko masambit kung anong isisigaw ba talaga.
We'll see.
Lakas doon.
Okay lah, you know what, Malaysia, okay. You know, now that both sides are warmed up, right? I think if you put them back together, it will sound way better. You know why or not? Because in my logic, right, 1 plus 1 equals to 3.
Yeah!
Right. Okay. Okay, so, are you guys ready to do it all together?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Ning I realized right, the top corners right, and the top, some of the sides here right, I'm not seeing it there. Like,
Very good. We say that obviously.
There was a trial run. Let's do one last time, okay? Let's have it all together. Let's shake the whole amphitheater. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. One more time. Ning Yuan Vivo! That was the loudest one we ever had in the last 3 days, man. Awesome! Okay. Give us a round of applause.
Operations. Next, working tirelessly round the clock to safeguard our lifelines at sea are our maritime security operators. Operating across various domains to neutralize threats are maritime operators. underwater with precision are combat diving operators. Our maritime explosive ordnance disposal operators undergo training to identify and neutralize any underwater ordnance. Operators and respond to aerial threats and safeguard our sea lines of communication. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Warriors from the Deep.
Nakasili lang yan.
Steady lang yun. Gusto ko yung naikot.
May ikot ba yan?
Mayroon silang sinakayan.
Grabe, ang haba ng pila.
Sila dito.
Mamaya siguro medyo okay na rito.
Yung sinakyan nila, yung itutur sila. Yung para
ha?
The floor around the deck may be wet and slippery.